Welcome back, dear students. Today we'll start a new exercise, exercise 21C, and today I am starting with question number 2. So here question says, 3 solid cubes of edges 6 cm, 10 cm and x cm are melted to form a single cube of edge 12 cm. Find the value of x. Right, so understand the situation out here. So here there are 3 solid cubes. Okay, so this is my, let's say this is my one cube, this is my another cube. Okay, and there's one more cube, and let's say this is the third cube. Okay, now it is given that the edges are 6 cm, 10 cm and x centimeter. Okay, now you have melted them. Okay, so you have melted them, and using the material that you get out of melting, you are finding or you are forming one more square whose each side, okay, whose each side is given to be how much? Whose each side is given to be 12 centimeter. Now question is asking you find the value of x. Now remember, since you have melted this and formed this cube, so basically it means that the volume of this cube will be equals to the sum of the volume of smaller cubes, isn't it? So therefore, by the given condition, volume of the new cube will be equals to sum of the volume of smaller cubes. We can say smaller cubes. Now see here carefully, volume of the new cube. So for this cube, its volume is going to be 12 cube, isn't it? Side cube. So this is the formula, is equals to sum of the volumes. Okay, so what is the volume of this? It will be 6 cube plus what will be the volume of this? It will be 10 cube plus what will be the volume of this? Each side is x, so that's why its volume is going to be x cube. Okay, now let's quickly calculate what is 12 cube. Okay, so 12 cube means 12 into 12 into 12. Okay, so 12 cube will be equals to 1728. If you calculate 12 into 12 into 12, you get 1728 is equals to 6 cube. So 6 cube is going to be equals to 216. This is 216, and 10 cube is going to be 1000. So we have x cube out here. So we have 1728. So let's add them up. So when you add these two, so you get 1216 plus x cube. So bring this out here. So you get 1728 minus 1216 equals to x cube. Okay, so when you simplify this, okay, so you get, so 8 minus 6 is 2, 1 minus 1 is 1, 7 minus this is 5, so you get 512. Okay, so let me do it here, rest of the work. So basically x cube is equals to 512, isn't it? Now here, if you find if you factorize this, okay, so if you factorize 512, let's see how much do we get. So we have 512, so let's factorize this. So let's start with 2. So alright, so let's start with 2. You get, so 2 is a 4, 2 5 is a 10, 2 6 is a 12. So again with 2, 2 1 is a 2, 2 2 is a 4, 2 8 is a 16. Again with 2, so you have 264. Again with 2, you get 32. Okay, so you know 32, when you factorize this, you get, alright, so, and I don't have space here, so let me write with 2. So 2 you get 16. Okay, so again if you factorize 16 with 2, you get 8, and with 2 you get 4, again with 2 you get 2. So how many 2's are there? Let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9. So altogether we have got 9 2's. Okay, so we can write this as 2 to the power 9, isn't it? Or else what you can do is, since you want to write or you want to find a cube root of this. So what you can do is you can write this as 2 cube whole cube, isn't it? Okay, so can I say that this is x cube equals to 2 cube is 8, so it is 8 cube. So from here what do we get? We get the value of x to be 8. Okay, so that's what you are asked to find. You are asked to find the value of x, isn't it? So the value of x turns out to be exactly 8 here. Okay, so you may pause the video and note down your solution. Let's move to the next question. So question says the length of the diagonals of a cube is 8 root 3 centimeter. Okay, now find its edge. Number 2, total surface area. Number 3, volume. Okay, so see here carefully. So given is diagonal. Okay, so diagonal is given to be 8 root 3 centimeter. Now formula for diagonal, okay, formula for diagonal of a cube is given in the book also, okay, or it is given in the hint also. So diagonal will be equals to a root 3, formula for diagonal. Okay, so if you want to make a note of it, that will be better. So diagonal formula for cube will be a root 3. So a root 3 is given to be 8 root 3. Now root 3 can be cancelled. So from here a is equals to how much? 8. Now what is a actually? A is the length of edge of the cube, isn't it? So therefore number 1, edge will be how much? Edge will be 8 centimeter. So this is my first answer. Number 2, you are asked to find total surface area. Total surface area formula is 6a square, isn't it? So 6 into a is 8, so we have 8 square. So 6 into 64, right? Okay, so 6 into 64 will be equals to 384. So since this is the area, so that's why your unit is going to be centimeter square. Right, so we have the third part, that is you need to find what is the volume, isn't it? So volume will be, formula is a cube. A is 8 here, so 8 cube, that's what we need to find. So 8 cube will be equals to 512, as we have just seen in the earlier problem. Okay, so since this is the volume, so your unit is going to be centimeter cube. All right, so you may pause the video and note down your solution. Let's move to the last question for the day. So question says a cube of edge 6 centimeter and a cuboid of dimension 4 centimeter into x centimeter, this is x centimeter, okay, this is x centimeter, into 15 centimeter are equal in volumes. Find the value of x, total surface area of the cuboid, total surface area of the cube, and which of these two has greater surface area and by how much. Okay, so let's see one thing at a time. So by the given condition, it is given that volume of cuboid is equals to volume of cube, isn't it? Now all of you know formula for volume of cuboid is L into B into H, and volume of cube is A cube. Now L into B into H, length is given to 4 centimeter, okay, breadth is given to be x, okay, and your height is given to be 15, okay, and each side of the cube is given to be 6, okay, so it becomes 6 cube here. Okay, so we have, right, so keep x out here, so 6 cube, so 6 cube is how much? 6 cube is 216, okay, 6 cube is 216. So bring this 4 and 15 to the denominator. Okay, so when you divide this by, alright, so we have 216. When you divide, you get, or when you do the cancellation, you get 18 by 5. And if you want to convert this into decimal, this becomes 3.6. Okay, so this is the value of x. Okay, now question is asking you to find total surface area of the cuboid, number 2. Okay, so therefore number 1, therefore x is equals to 3.6. 6. Okay, so we got the value of x. Now number 2, they are asking you to find total surface area of the cuboid, right? So number 2, TSA of the cuboid will be equals to, so formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, so let's put the value now. So what is the length? As I said, length is 4. Okay, so length is, okay, so we have to, length is 4 into breadth is x, which is 3.6, plus b is 3.6 as you all know, into h is how much? H is 15, isn't it? Plus h is 15, and into we have L is 4. Okay, so this is my total surface area. Okay, so I don't have space here, so let me calculate my, or let me continue this out here. Okay, so this is equals to, so 2 into, so simplify this, so 4, so let me simplify this in one shot. So 4 into 3.6 plus 3.6 into 15 plus 15 into 4. So when you do the simplification, you get 128. Alright, so you get 128.4. Okay, so multiply these two, you get your answer to be 256.8 centimeters square. So this is the area of the total surface area of the cuboid. Now number 3 is asking you find total surface area of the cube. So total surface area of the cube, formula is 6a square, isn't it? Now we have 6 into a is given to be 6, so it is 6 square, right? So when you calculate this, this turns out to be exactly 216 centimeter square. Okay, now questions number 4 is asking which has got greater surface area. Now see, total surface area of cuboid is this much and total surface area of cube is this much. Now which one is more? Obviously this area is more, so therefore we say, therefore area of cuboid is more. Okay, by how much? That's what they are asking you, right? So by, we will find the difference by 256.8 minus 216 centimeter square, which is equal to, so when you find the difference, you get 0.8 is already there. So 6 minus 6 is 0, 5 minus 1 is 4, and 2 minus 2 is 0. So by 40.8 centimeters square, area of cuboid is more compared to area of the cube. So that's what you are asked to find as per the question here. Okay, so you may pause the video and note down your solution, and with this we close for the day. Thank you very much.